Let's dive into this explainer. We're breaking down a highly requested blueprint for an epic language learning adventure.
Forget boring lessons. The creator literally asked for a totally suspenseful, engaging narrative instead.
It totally flips the script. We're trading textbook memorization for a dynamic, story-driven adventure.
So you might be wondering, who exactly is this captivating linguistic journey actually built for?
The blueprint specifically targets the English citizen. That's the exact primary audience for this adventure.
And their one highly focused objective on this wild journey? Mastering the Arabic language.
The trick is using familiar English as a comfortable instructional bridge to reach that ultimate goal.
It's super straightforward. You speak in English to seamlessly explain those complex new Arabic concepts.
So here are the pillars: a suspenseful narrative, an English-speaking audience, and a clear Arabic goal.
The blueprint is fully set. So, are you ready to step into the narrative and learn Arabic?